Hey guys, it's me, Gadget Gal 38 here. How are you? I have an unboxing. I'm very excited about it. I did order this off of Mercari. I'm not even gonna waste any time because I'm too excited. So let's just go ahead and open it. Oh, so you already know what it is because of the title of the video. Oh, I ain't show you my address. All right. Ooh, it's packed very well. Oh, Jesus. Let me see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Make sure ain't nothing else in here. All right. So here it is. You probably can see it through the bubble wrap. Uh-oh. Hold on. I don't want to drop it. Hold on. Woo. Like they got away from me. Okay. Ooh. It's a film camera, y'all. Oh, man. It's a Canon. Oh, look at this. Ooh. It's a Canon AE-1 film camera. This lens is a 50 millimeter, 1.8. Oh my God, it looks so good. It's kind of heavy too. Oh wow. I don't know nothing about any film camera, okay? So whatever I do, it's very new to me. Oh my gosh. This looks so nice. I'm going to take this off. I bought a new one. It's actually right here. Right here. But I'm going to come back on another video and show y'all how everything works. Because it has to have a camera. I mean, it has to have a battery. And I don't have a battery. This was just an unboxing of this was just an unboxing of the Canon A1 film camera. This is just an unboxing of the Canon AE-1 film camera. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. Peace.